Alright guys, Rob from myppctraining.com. In today's video we're just going to run through how average CPC or average cost per click is calculated. It's really simple, very short video. I'm going to just show you right now, okay? So if you're in your AdWords account, you just come over to average CPC column, and if you don't have this column, go up to columns, modify columns, and you'll be able to add in all the stuff you want to see, alright, in your columns. Just check it and hit apply, alright? So if we come into our campaign and we see average CPC, you can tell here our average cost per click is $37.10. That's how much we're paying Google per click right now. And this is the average, right? So we're paying more for some keywords and less for some keywords. So this is the average. Now how the average is calculated, if you hover over here, it tells you right here. Average cost per click, CPC, is the amount you've paid for your ad divided by its total clicks. If your ad, and it gives you an example right here, if your ad receives 2 clicks, one costing 20 cents and one costing 40 cents, your average CPC for those clicks is 30 cents. All right, so it's just the average. That's all it is. It's not rocket science. And if you have a high average cost per click, that's okay. You can work on optimizing your campaigns to lower it down. The first thing you should do to start doing that is making sure that you lower your bid adjustments on either your devices, your ad schedule, or whatever, wherever you have those. And then you could also start dropping bids on your keywords, okay? So that's obviously the most important part, is your keyword bids. So if you have a high cost per click and your cost per conversion is unreasonable, which ours is $106 per lead, that's what we're getting, which is it's right on the money where we want to be. All right, but let's say that we want $50 leads or $25 leads, then we're way the hell off. So we gotta cut this down. All right, our average cost per click. So the dance here, is trying to lower your average cost per click, but not screw up your average position. Okay, because if we lower our average cost per click, say it goes down to $27, which is a huge drop. That's $10 a click. But our position skyrockets to 3.5. Now we're dancing on the line of not even being on the top of Google's first page for results. Once you hit position 5 and above, you're on the bottom of the page, and you might as well be on page 597 because no one's ever going to see you, or it's going to be very rare. Okay, so that's really important. So you have to do that dance between average cost per click, lowering it and working to lower it, and your average position. So that's why I always say if you're trying to lower your average cost per click, try and lower it in increments, small increments first, okay? So let's say we wanted to lower its cost per click right now today. The first thing we're going to do is go into our campaign. And I'm going to say, all right, wow, we're auto bidding. We have auto maximize click strategy on. We're saying, wow, 34.27 is too high. So in this case, because I'm using an auto bid strategy, I would have to come into my settings. And I would have to go to bidding. And I'd have to lower the maximum cost per click bid limit that I have set, all right? Like I said, lower it incrementally. So I lower it to 31.27, all right? Drop it $3, see what that does, and I would save, all right? I'm not going to do that, obviously, because I'm happy with what I have, but that's how you would lower it if you have an auto bid. If you don't have an auto bid, I would just choose all the columns, edit, and there would be if I wasn't using auto bid, there'd be a thing here to change your bids, all right? So I would just do that and change them and drop them down to 31.27, drop it down a couple bucks, and see where that lands me in a day or two, position wise and average cost per click wise. All right, so the key is to incrementally chip away at it and drive it down. All right, so that's how you're going to lower it. But I just wanted to throw that in there since we're covering the topic of what it is and how it works, how to lower it. It's probably an important factor that you should know. So, all right, if you guys have any questions about cost per click or average cost per click or how to lower it, anything like that, drop them in the comment section below this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like and share if you can. I really appreciate that. And check out the links in the description. I put some cool stuff in there for you.